So the main reason I haven't driven this car for the past 6 months is because I have cheap hood pins. And while I was driving one day, the nut decided to fall off. So I went to Ace Hardware and 59 cents will get me driving this car again. It obviously still needs a ton of work. This car hasn't been touched in a while, but we'll get there eventually. But really that nut only came off because I didn't have these installed. These are hub centering rings. If you have E39 wheels on E36, your wheels aren't going to be centered correctly. So you need these to fill in the gaps between your hub and your wheel bore. I'm not going to put them on right now because it's raining, but basically, take this ring and put it on your car. And when you put the wheel on, this ring is going to tuck in nicely and fill in all those gaps so that there's no vibrations when you're driving. That way stuff doesn't come loose and your lug nuts or lug bolts aren't the only thing holding the wheel centered to your actual car. They make these in a ton of different sizes. So if you're running non-OEM wheels on your car, make sure that your hub is squared away so that you don't start wiggling around and losing parts.